Hi guys, DK here from KaroroCAD. Today I'm going to be taking you through some updates in the dual surface profiles in KaroroCAD Wing Designer. In our last update, we added the ability to do a partial dual surface profile from the or a partial dual surface wing using a dual surface profile. This style of wing has the lower surface finished somewhat before the trailing edge, and it is connected at the wingtip. It comes down and meets the upper surface at the wingtip. So we've had requests for a full dual surface profile, one that runs from the leading edge all the way to the trailing edge. And how this is achieved now is we have another drop-down menu here where you can select between just a single surface, which just uses the top surface in your imported profile, a dual part surface, which needs to where you need to include the bottom surface in part of your profile, and you'll just need to see last month's update video to see that, and I'll also link that in the video description below. Or you can select a full dual surface profile. Now the full dual surface profile is tangent to the leading edge and runs all the way to the trailing edge, and adds an additional little infill panel at the trailing edge, this little triangular panel on the trailing edge at the wingtip. Now you do have an additional control here where you can control how far from your leading edge seam this dual surface profile is, or the leading edge closing seam. If I adjust this down to 10 millimeters and let this recalculate, you'll see that moves forward closer to the closing seam. And if we say 40 millimeters, you'll see that move well back. So, and otherwise, this is a tangent or a straight line bottom surface. So yeah, that's the update. Those in fact, let's do the export, and we can see how this looks in the 2D file. I'll just take a few seconds to calculate. So, like the previous updates, these export the lower canopy as its own in its own part of the file. You do get all of the lower surface, well, all of the ribs that connect the upper surface and the lower surface, and this is that additional triangular piece for filling in to your filling in the trailing edge. And there is this additional line placed on your on the if we turn off the 3D here, yeah, this additional line is added to the to your leading edge segments, and this is the attachment line for those lower canopy panels to the leading edge. And there is this line that comes through, which is where that lower canopy intersects with your center strut. So yeah, there we have it, guys. We now have the ability to do full dual surface profiles in KaroroCAD Wing Designer. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comments below, or you can email me karorocad@gmail.com. Thank you very much.